sedatives should be wearing now.
Wait till he sees himself. Oh, he's so excited. So excited.
He's awake. Quickly, nurse, open the op chamber.
Right away.
Very sorry about that, sir. You woke sooner than we expected.
Sweetheart, you look gorgeous. Like $1,000,000. More even.
Apologies about the nurse, sir. She was all we can get on short notice.
You could do so much worse than me.
I'm sure. Nurse, fetch a mirror.
On it.
Now, just for testing, can you try and speak?
Can you hear me?
Haha! Bravo!
Why can't I move?
Your motor skills should update soon enough.
I'm back!
Well, how is he supposed to see himself? Elevate him! Now, sir, please understand there is quite a bit of cleanup work to do.
Oh my goodness, you are so adorable. I could just eat you up. Eat.
I'm so sorry, sir. We'll try to find a replacement before we get started on the next batch.